Oh yeah, I can get you on there, bro.
Oh, what's good, vlog? Yo, it's Curtis L. Don't forget the L unless you wanna take one. Come see me in Cumberland. Let's go.
Hey, what's up, buddy?
Kinda tired trying the same shit. Kinda tired trying to give a fuck. Saving grace has never hit the same end. I've been running out of luck, yeah. Said I've been running out of luck, yeah. Said I've been running out of luck, yeah. Said I've been running out of luck, yeah, 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 yeah. Kinda tired trying the same shit. Kinda tired trying to give a fuck. Saving grace has never hit the same end. I've been running out of luck, yeah. Said I've been running out of luck, yeah. Said
YouTube. This is definitely indeed a new vlog. Hey man, I'm feeling good today. Just got my custom license plate. You know what I'm saying? I've been like I always wanted a custom license plate. But anyway, you know what I'm saying? Let me give y'all the fit of the day. We about to slide out because I'm actually running late. I gotta go to the barber shop on my hair nappy and everything. So we about to go get trimmed up. Definitely got a dentist appointment today. But I ain't gonna yap y'all. Y'all just gonna, you know what I'm saying? Today y'all just gonna vibe out with me, man, like the usual. But let me go ahead and put y'all down on the outfit of the day, you dig? We go slightly streaky mirror. We go vintage on the tee. We go just Serena, you know what I'm saying? We ain't got the twin with us today. We go brand partner on the jeans, on the stacks. Shout out to Minimal. Link in the description. And oh, man, I ain't even got my kicks on, gang. But we do go retro. You know what I'm saying? We're going retro today. So you dig, that's the fit of the day. Nothing too crazy. And shout out to my brand partner, Minimal, man. Y'all got to go check the website out, man. I got the link in the description. Y'all got to go check it out. It's definitely some bangers on it. And just because you know that I got you, the link that you use is going to give you 20% off. You dig what I'm saying? Come on now. And you going to need it because there's a lot of bangers on it. Y'all going to want to buy the whole site. I'm telling you. Look, leave in the comment. Let me know what pieces y'all just caught. But yeah, so we're going to vibe out right now. Matter of fact, let me put these shoes on, gang. I'm tripping. All right, YouTube. Hey, man, look. I had to jump in traffic, man. I told y'all I was going to be late, man. But surprisingly, you dig what I'm saying? It wasn't much traffic that I thought it was going to be. So, you know what I'm saying? We here on time and ready to get chopped up for real, man. Make sure I got my my lens for y'all. You know what I'm saying? So y'all can see wide. But yeah, man, so let me text my barber, let him know I'm here. Let him know I'm here, man. You dig what I'm saying? Bet. Let's go in here and get chopped up, man. Look like we're on schedule today. You dig what I'm saying? I stay pressing the wrong button. We finna go in here and get chopped up, man. Finally. And I don't want to see nothing in the comments like, damn, that gun must be good. Hey, man, let's get it, man. All right, YouTube, we back out of that, man. We back. We done made it out the barber, man. Had to put the Dewey on right quick. You know what I'm saying? It was only right so I could lay these braids down, man. So, next, I got to go really hit this dentist appointment I got to hit up. And the crazy thing is I'm hungry as ever. Obviously, I got to wait till I, you know what I'm saying, hit the dentist first. And then the thing is, once you get your teeth clean, is it just meat? But don't y'all feel like y'all don't want to, you know what I'm saying? Y'all don't want nothing to dirty your teeth. You dig what I'm saying? So you be like, man, you don't really want to eat. It might just be me. I ain't even gonna hold you. As soon as I leave the dentist, I'll be like, man, I can't mess these pearly whites up. You dig what I'm saying? I don't want nothing staining these things. And then boom. Once the appetite over, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, we about to go hit the dentist right quick. And I need to stop by the phone store. I need to get another screen protector on my phone. Like, I never thought that I would run through screen protectors like this, but I be dropping my phone. And if it wasn't for these screen protectors, man. So right now I'm finna put this stuff in the GPS, see what we looking like on the distance. Mind you, it's 12:32. My appointment is at 1. So we really got good timing going on right now. All right, so we ain't nothing but 23 minutes away. That ain't bad. Dang, y'all looking a little cloudy. Hold on. I gotta clean y'all lenses, man. But anyway, I'm finna really blast some music. Don't want to get copywritten. So I will be catching y'all in the next scene when we arrive. Will I take y'all into the dentist? Probably not. But I don't know. We'll see. You dig? Yeah, y'all will see. Alright, gang. So look, we just made it to the dentist's office. I ain't gonna really bring y'all in because it's packed and that just ain't professional. That just, it's unorthodox for me to do that. So I'm about to go in here, get the teeth clean, and I'm gonna catch up with y'all as soon as I dip up out of here. You dig? Oh, you too. But yeah, we running some errands today, man. I got a couple of errands I need to run. Gotta go pick up some merch from the post office. Gotta take some pictures for this brand, baby, for this brand partnership. You dig what I'm saying? So I'm definitely taking pictures today. Matter of fact, I'm putting on 2 brands today at the same time. You know what I'm saying? Double promo. Shout out to Drip. Shout out to Minimal. You know what I'm saying? Those are some good brands. Our promo link definitely in the descriptions. Y'all make sure to check that out. Before I can even do any type of promotion, I gotta look, you know what I'm saying? I gotta get right. You dig what I'm saying? Now I'm definitely looking rough. So with that being said, I'm gonna put y'all down to the side so y'all could, you know what I'm saying, get ready with me right quick. Alright, YouTube, something real quick, man, you know what I'm saying? Despite how rough I'm looking right now, you know what I'm saying? I definitely got it on, you know what I'm saying? So shout out to the brands. I'm finna actually put y'all down. And then, yeah, we finna just go ahead and hurry up and go to this barbershop, man, before I'm too late for this appointment I done set. This traffic is crazy in Atlanta. If you do not know, it is. So, if you're thinking about moving down, think again. You know what I'm saying? Please. But anyway, I'm going ahead and dive in and show you what I got on. And shout out to the brands. Definitely make sure you look in the description for the links, discount codes and links for these brands that I'm actually putting y'all down on. Alright, so real quick, you know what I'm saying? We started off with Serena and Venus, got the twin cluster chains on today. We got the top by Drip with a J, you know what I'm saying? Just remember, it's possible. Then we go down to the baggy. We got the Minimals on today. Got the baggy pants on by Minimal. You know what I'm saying? To complete the fit, we got the retro, almost said 11s. These are 13s. We got the retro 13s on today, man. You know what I'm saying? With the reflective black. You dig what I'm saying? I always wanted these shoes. Fun fact, I always wanted these shoes as a kid only because of the badge. That little reflective badge right there. I don't know, but anyway, we got the retro 13s in today, so that's what we wearing. Matter of fact, I had these shoes. The crazy thing is I had these shoes for like 3 summers now, like maybe 4 summers. And this is my first time wearing them. You dig what I'm saying? So I got a lot of like fly stuff in the closet that I ain't brought out. So I feel like this is like the perfect time to do so. So, yeah. YouTube. So I know I was actually supposed to get back with y'all, man, in the car, but I had to blast some music right quick. Just got chopped up leaving the, you know what I'm saying? Leaving the barbershop, you know what I'm saying? Obviously, you know what I'm saying? He just went ahead and did his big one. I'm finna go into this gas station right quick. Gotta run to this ATM. Definitely don't keep cash on me, man, like I used to. Credit as well, whatever that means. What's going on, man? You all right? Yeah, man. So, with that being said, finna stop at this ATM. So I was really supposed to go by the post office, right, to go drop off this. I'm gonna stitch y'all right here. See if I can. Yeah, matter of fact, I'm gonna sit y'all right here. While I get that, you know what I'm saying, while I get that in there. But yeah, so I was really supposed to go to the post office right quick, but you know that, the post office closed, man, so I wasn't able to go pick up that piece I was supposed to grab. What we're gonna do is actually do these brand photos, man. So we finna go knock out some of these brand photos. Hold on right quick. Let me see. Yeah, so pretty much basically what we finna do is we finna go knock out some of these brand promo videos brand promo pictures too. It's a whole bunch of other stuff I'm supposed to be doing. I slick need to drop. I low key need to stop by the phone store so they can update. Not update. I'm all over the place right now, YouTube. My bad. So I low key need to stop by the phone store so they can replace my screen protector. It's like I'm all over the place right now, man. So look, this is what we doing, man. My bad, YouTube. So we just got the fresh cut, you know what I'm saying? You know, like, that's what it is. I got the fresh cut, so I'm feeling all brand new or whatever. I'm gonna slide by the mall. I actually gotta pick up, I gotta check my email, because I think I'm supposed to be, I got some shoes that's supposed to be going to Nordstrom. I'm gonna see if they actually arrived. I ain't checking my email yet. But, if not, we're gonna go ahead and, like I said, do some of these brand photos and stuff.
Yo.
Hold it down, Brody. Hey, well. Yeah, so like I was saying, man, we about to go ahead and knock out some of these brand photos, man. I got some brand promos. So basically, like y'all seen in the beginning of the video, I got my brand partnership outfits on today. Pretty much my whole fit. Like, to be honest, it don't matter what Jordan, like I done came to the conclusion that it doesn't matter what pair of Jordans you got on. They be biting, boy. I'm telling you, man, my feet be, or maybe it's just me, I don't know, man. I got on the 13s today. But in the last episode, like in all my videos, I done had like the 3s, the 4s, the 5s, and now I got the 13s on and they all biting my feet. Like, I don't know, maybe because they all brand new, man. That's what I don't know. Gotta keep the hand sanitizer with me. But yeah, so pretty much I'm finna slide by the mall. Yeah, I gotta let these toes breathe while I'm driving. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. I ain't even gonna hold y'all, gang. I gotta let these toes breathe, man. I'm finna blast some music. I ain't even gonna hold you. That's the only reason why I ain't tap in with y'all when I got in the whip. I gotta put this GPS in. With that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next scene, man. You dig? I was really trying to low-key look for a spot in here inside the mall that would be, you know what I'm saying? Might be a little dope to take pictures in front of. I'm gonna take pictures outside for sure. Since I'm here, I'm thinking about getting some cheesecake. I can't even lie, like some cheesecake would be smack crazy right now. But when I get done taking pictures, I'm gonna definitely, if it ain't too late, I'm gonna go in the mall. It's these particular shoes I'm actually looking for. And I'm trying to see if they got some shoe cleaner, man. I need some shoe cleaner, man. I got so many shoes that need to be brought back to life. You know what I'm saying? All right, YouTube. That was quick. For y'all, you did. But anyway, yeah, so I was able to get some good photos. So definitely follow my Instagram to check them out. You see where we at, so I gotta try. You know what I'm saying? Y'all finna go in here and pick out some cheesecake with me. I'm trying to see if I'm gonna try something different. If not, I'm gonna just go ahead and just go with what I know. And I did want to run into the mall, but I ended up getting done at 8. Unfortunately, the mall closed at 8. So that's an inconvenience. How you doing? How you doing? Yeah, so I ain't end up going. We about to see what's hitting on. Like I said, I got like a little go-to that I usually do. But I think what I'm gonna end up doing is I'm trying to see if there's something different I'm gonna go with. If y'all go to Cheesecake Factory, let me know in the comments what cheesecake y'all be rocking with.
But it's 610, you know.
So if y'all rocking with Cheesecake Factory, y'all gotta try Celebration Cheesecake. And the fact that I should be in the gym, but I'm here getting cheesecake is crazy work. But y'all don't tell nobody else. Make sure y'all don't tell nobody else. Carrot cake, dang, I ain't know they had carrot cake. Carrot cake be popping though, but at the same time, you gotta have like, you gotta make sure, it gotta be on point, like it gotta be moist, you know what I'm saying? I feel like carrot cake could be like a hit and miss. Hey, what's going on, G, man?
What's it, vlogging?
Yeah, man, quick little vlog.
What up, vlog? How y'all doing?
Oh yeah, I can get you on there, bro.
Oh, what's good, vlog? Yo, it's Curtis L. Don't forget the L unless you want to take one. Come see me in Cumberland. Let's go.
Hey, you heard him. Hey, I'm gonna end up going with a celebration. Just one slice.
All right.
Celebration.
You want any whipped cream?
Yeah, please. You been busy today, man?
Hell no.
For real?
It's our slow season being that everybody back in school.
Yeah, true.
So we kind of just been sitting here running our mouths all the shit. And then tap, it's be that bottom left. Hold it until you hear the beat. It's slow.
All right.
I got y'all set.
So everything that I was supposed to do today, obviously I'm gonna have to slide in tomorrow. I really wanted to get some more daylight in this outfit. You know what I'm saying? But it's all good because the main mission of the day has been accomplished, and that was to take some photos and record some videos for some brand promo. So that's good. So yeah, like the mission has been accomplished for the day, and that was to go ahead and get some brand, you know what I'm saying, some brand promo. What I'm gonna do tonight is just basically scroll through all the photos I took and try to pick something out for tomorrow. I'm gonna actually drop it tomorrow, so by the time you see this video, the photos will already be out. You dig what I'm saying? I ain't gonna hold you. I think one day we're gonna come out here and dine in the PF Chains, man. See what PF Chains hitting on. I think one of these days I'm gonna, you know, bring y'all with me, man. We're gonna go ahead and see what PF Chains hitting on. Yeah, I think that'd be a little fun to have y'all cook with me. You know what I'm saying? I might start doing a couple little cooking vlogs, man. I don't know. Drop in the comment if y'all want to see some cooking vlogs. YouTube, we just made it back to the pad. I definitely had to make a stop. I ended up making it. It's like I make a stop at Walmart every day. It never fails. I am hungry as ever, so really, instead of spending out, you know what I'm saying, spending money every day, you know what I'm saying, getting fast food and all that, I'm like, yo, let me just swing by Walmart right quick and put something together. So that was my intentions. Well, nah, you know what, really, I had stopped at Walmart to get something to drink, and I ended up leaving with everything else in the whole store. I'm actually finna make something to eat and then get back to editing these videos. But yeah, so in the morning we're gonna definitely, and I really just tapped back in because I didn't really end it with y'all. I didn't really end that last scene. So with that being said, so let me dive in this kitchen, whip something up right quick. Prince. I'm saying, my boy in the cut, chilling. You dig what I'm saying? But yeah, so look, I'm gonna catch up with y'all in tomorrow. I was about to say the morning. I'm gonna catch up with y'all tomorrow, man. You dig?